Now, question says that Peter left town X and traveled towards town Y at an average speed of 80 km per hour. An hour later, Mike left town X, traveled towards town Y at an average speed of 100 km per hour. Let's draw the chart. Town X, town Y. Peter left town X for town Y at a speed of 80 km per hour. 1 hour later, Mike left at a speed of 100 km per hour. Right? So, the question says Mike passed the midpoint 30 minutes earlier than Peter and reached town Y at 2000. Okay, so this is the midpoint. Now we let the first half of Mike's journey be t, time taken t. Therefore, Peter will be t plus 1.5 hours. Why 1.5? Okay, because the question says that Mike reached half an hour earlier, 30 minutes. Okay, that is 0.5. But Peter left 1 hour earlier. Okay, left X 1 hour earlier, so we have to add in another hour. So altogether 1.5 hour he took extra. Okay, now distance traveled for the first half by Mike is 100 t. Speed is 100 times time, 100 t. Whereas for Peter is speed 80 times time, t plus 1.5 hour. But the distance traveled is the same. Okay, for the first half here, so we can equate them. Distance is the same, therefore 80t plus 120 h hours. H stands for hours. The 120 come from where? Come from here, 1.5 times 80. Alright, which is equal to 100t. Okay, shuffle it around the equation and you get 20t is equal to 120 hour. Therefore, t is 120 divided by 20, that gives us 6 hours. So that means to say that Mike took 6 hours to reach the midpoint. Okay, midpoint, 6 hours. Whereas for Peter, he took 6 plus 1.5, which is 7.5 hours. Okay, since Mike was traveling at an average speed of 100 km per hour for the whole journey, okay, without any stopping and change here, so he would need to take another 6 hours. Alright, another 6 hours to reach Y. And then you reach Y at 2000 hours. Okay, so at what time did Mike start? 2000 hours minus 6 hours. Okay, 6 hours before 2000 hours is equal to 1400 hours. Okay, that means convert to PM is 2 PM. Mike left, and he left 1 hour after Peter. So Peter left 1 hour earlier, which is 1300 hours. Alright, or 1 PM. So the answer is 1300 hours. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.